Hi, in this video I want to show you how you can style the first and the last item in Angular using an ngFor. So what I have here is a list of items, and if I want to style my name here, bold for instance, I could type in first as is first. Now the is first, you can choose whatever you want, but you always need to type in first. That's how Angular knows that you want the first item. So what I could do here, I could class bind it via the class directive. So basically this tells Angular to add a class, and which class would we like to add. We would like to add the bold class. So basically I have bold class here, so I'll just add bold and only add this if it's the first item. So if is first is true, add the bold class. Let's save this. So the bold class was added, as you can see. Let's inspect this, and you can see the bold class is there. So the next thing to do is maybe color this item red. So we can just type in last as is last, and again last you need to type in, and is last you can use whatever you like. So if we want to style the last item bold, again I'll use class and then type in the class I want to add. So in this case red, because I have a red class defined, and just type in is last. So when is last is true, make it red, and now it's red. So really simple, really, and you can obviously use this to all sorts of useful cases. So if I want to, let me just change this so you can see. So if I want to, for instance, if I want to add an HR tag on the last item, so after this list I want to add an HR, I can just say ngIf is the last item, so is last, and save this. So I'll get an horizontal ruler after the list. So as you can see, you can use the first and the last item in all sorts of cases in ngFor. That's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click on like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks.